Hi everyone, welcome to Spring 2024 Astronomy 101 class. I'll try to make this as quick as possible. Please watch the whole thing. This is your home page. As you see, there's a bunch of little pictures in here. Each picture represents something. So as an example, this represents contact information, this represents this orientation video, this represents the modules and assignments, this represents the link to my Zoom office hour on Mondays, and this gives you the dates for your exams so that you know exactly what day from 8 a.m. to midnight your exam opens up. They're all on Sundays except for the last exam. It's going to be on the 25th. I will send you reviews. I will send you heads ups, things like that, so you know when the exam is coming up. Now, let's see how we can get around this Canvas course. This link will take you to astronomy lectures. You can watch a couple of lectures a week, that should be enough. And then as soon as you click this on the home page, you get to the lectures. So this is part 1 lectures, part 2 lectures, and part 3 lectures. Part 1 lectures is basically about sky, the earth, gravity, things like that. And then the next part is about the stars, basically. So this is all about the starry world. And then the last part is about galaxies and the universe at large. When we click on them, we can see all the lectures. They're kind of fun. I had a lot of fun doing them with the students in the class. And so you can watch these lectures, just a couple of per week. So there's 2, there's another 2, so you can just watch these lectures. And as you watch the lectures, you take notes, because these notes can be used for your exam, but only written notes. So you need to write them down with your pen or your pencil, or you can type them down. But those notes are valuable because I give extra credit for taking notes during these lectures. Now, as you go through the lectures, always the last lecture, in this case lecture 13, is a review for the first exam. So you watch all these lectures. When you get to lecture 13, you know the exam is coming up. Alright, yay. Now let's go back to the home page again. So this is the home page. Now this icon will take you to the astronomy modules and your homework, what we call assignments, homework. And so you click on it and you start with the orientation module. So there's a little syllabus quiz here. This syllabus quiz has 0 points, but it lets me know that you're in the class. So this is like taking a roll, just to make sure that you're actually present in the class. Alright, so now as we go down, we get to the introduction module here. And every time you want to find homeworks, they're always between these dashed lines. So as an example for introductory module, these 2 are our homeworks. And there's always going to be some kind of a deadline in here. These deadlines are due dates. This is a due date, and it tells you how many points this question has. And they're all little videos, like 2-minute videos. You watch them and then you answer questions while you're doing them. So that should be pretty fun. And then you get to module 1. This is all about the sky, the earth, stars. How do celestial sphere move? How does stars go around the circumpolar or around the polar star? And then about phases of the moon, what have you. So between this dash line and this dash line, these are your homeworks, which are going to be due on the 11th of February, like that. So now when we get to the 4th module, these are your homeworks, and then comes your first exam. So there's a review exam here again, right after module 4. There's a review for exam. This is a notes from the student, so you can look at the notes and try to get ready for the exam. So I'm trying to help you as much as I can for the exams. Now, at the beginning of every one of these modules, there's a bunch of videos. Like if I click here, this is module 4. you will see a bunch of videos pop, and they explain as much as I could about the subject matter. In this case, these are telescopes. So you look at these telescope videos before you take the exam, like that. Back to the home page. And so when we're in the home page, you can see that there's also a little calendar here. It says view calendar. If you click on the view calendar, you can see what homeworks are due and when. And so this is for January. We'll go to February, and this is these are the homeworks that are due for February. So you can see they all happen to be on Sundays. So Sundays at midnight is when all your homeworks are due. Very easy, very simple. It's all meant for you to learn. That's all I care about, is you learning. So yeah. In other words, there is no trick questions or what have you. Now, if you need to talk to me, I would love for you to come to the Zoom room. We can sit down, we can chat about anything you like. And normally I help you with tutoring you. You know, if you need tutoring for the exam or for something that you have difficulty putting together, I will be so happy to help you. And so if you click this, you get to my Zoom room. It's on Mondays between 5 and 7 p.m. These are my contact information. And so this is my regular email, but I prefer if you use the Canvas inbox. Canvas inbox is over here. This is the inbox for Canvas. You click on it, then you find my name and write me an email. Now, these are the days for your exams, so you know exactly when your exams are. Every time you want to find out when your exams are, you just look at your front page, your home page of your Canvas, and there they are. Exam 1, 2, and 3. Now, they're all happening on Sundays except for the very last exam. That's on a Saturday. This is my Google Drive. Now, if you click on this Google Drive, it takes you to my Google Drive. And here you make a folder by using a right click, and then you say new folder. You put your last name, you put your first name, and then you open up yourself a folder. And then you upload all your pictures of your notes here for extra credit. So it can be your cell phone pictures. You just take a picture of your notes and you just send it to me. Whenever you do it, till the end of the class, you have time to do this extra credit. When you want to get to your exams, you go here in the corner, it says quizzes. Now, Canvas calls exams quizzes. So quizzes and exam, they're the same thing basically here. So if you click on quizzes, you can see what's available to you right now. And this is the only one that is open currently. It says not available till the 29th at 8 a.m. So this one is available. I made this so that you can see if I can see if you're available. In other words, I want to know if you're actually attending class or you're not in the class at all. So hopefully you're participating in the class. So you go through these questions, you answer these questions, and then I know whether or not you're actually in the class doing something. Well, yay then. Let's go back to the home page. There are some links here that I've made for you by Mesa College. This is Mesa College Library, online support services, tutoring here, and then so there's a bunch of stuff available. Mesa has got a bunch of stuff available for you. But I sure would love it if you just come to the Zoom room so we can discuss life. So if you just click in here, you'd be in my Zoom room in no time on Monday between 5 and 7. Hope to see you there. Now, please remember to do your assignments, or what we call homeworks assignments. Do it before the due date so that you can get full credit. Otherwise, you get 25% knocked off it. Now, there are 3 exams, and they're worth 70% of the grade in the class. And then we have the assignments, and the assignments are worth 30% of the grade in the class. So try to take the exams on time, please. Try to do your assignments on time. But if you're late, it's all right. I mean, in a way, it's all right because you get a chance to do it till the end of the semester. but you will get 25% knocked off the grade, or points anyways. Alright, now I'm a very understanding person. If you have any difficulty taking the exam or doing your homework or what have you, just make sure you come to the office and you communicate with me. It's important to keep some kind of a communication going if you have any kind of trouble at all. Anything. I'll be here to help you out, and I always will back you. And I will never lie to you. So please keep in touch. Good luck for the whole semester. Hope to see you though.